Hey guys, Alice with Simple Option Strategies. Today I wanted to share with you just a quick 0 DTE trade that I put on today, February 28th, 2022. This was a straightforward trade. I like to put on trade between 5 and 10 minutes of the market, sometimes a little bit earlier. And as soon as I put my 0 DTE trades on, I set close orders for the positions, calls and puts, so that I don't have to think about it after I put on the trade. So the first position that I put on was a put spread, and you can see here that the market went down a little bit, and I put it on right at that level here and collected 50-cent premium. And so this was right around 43.40. The second position I put on was at 9.36, and in this one I put on a call spread and I collected 50 cents. I like to leg in these positions because a lot of times I'll get a little bit more premium when I get in. So at the third position, you can see here that I put on a call position at 65 cents, 15 cents more premium than the first position. And then on the fourth position, I had a put spread. You can see the market went down a little bit and got additional premium here. So this is it. I put on 4 positions, 2 calls, 2 puts, and after that, I put on my closing positions at 10 cents, and I just wait. Monitor the market throughout the day, and what happened here was at 11:03, position closed, right when the market actually went through this trend higher here, and then the market actually went higher, so keep in mind I do have call positions on, and the call positions went up. They were right around 50 cents most of the day. I think it got up to 55 or 60 right around this peak here, but once I had a declining low here, high and then a lower low, the market pretty much tumbled down from that point on. Then the second closing position, the market closed the trade at 12.46 right before that candle here with that wick, and it closed at 10 cents. And that was basically it. So the trade was closed, opened at 9.33, closed it for 20 cents at 12.46, collecting about $205 minus commissions, and pretty straightforward. That's the 0 DTE trade for today. Thanks guys, and I also want to remind you, if you did like this video, please smash that like button and subscribe so that YouTube knows that you like these trades and that you'll be receiving more of these from me and other traders. Thanks and have a great day.